Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in voice effects to your audio on CapCut PC. So you can either add in an audio or you can press the record button here and just select the correct input device first and select record. You can adjust the volume and you can enable echo reduction as well. So just press the red button to start recording, and I'm just going to record and test it out. And press the stop once you're done. Close it, and here to make the volume larger, you're just going to adjust this bit right here. And to add in voice effects, just select the voice effects button, just press it, and you can choose from these effects. There's elf, deep, high, low, mic, hog, echo, etc., etc. And you're just going to select the one that you want to use. For instance, this megaphone one. And here's what it sounds like with the effect on. And I'm going to record and test it out. And press the stop. And that's basically how you can add in voice effects and record your voice in CapCut PC. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!